welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cinnamon rolls. Before I get started, if you guys want to see more cooking and baking related videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, now let's get started. Let's go. Okay guys, by the way, the ingredients are listed below. So first I'm going to start is by making the dough. First you'd be needing is some flour. So I'm going to add this in. Next I'm going to be adding some sugar and some salt. Give this a quick mix. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start by adding milk. And then I am gonna be adding 1 egg. Next thing I'm gonna add is some butter. And the next thing I'm gonna add is some yeast. And I'm gonna give this a mix. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna mix the liquid ingredients with the wet. You can also do this in like a hand mixer. If you do want to use a hand mixer, you can also just do it by hand, which I'm doing right now. Now I'm gonna seal it with some plastic wrap. And now I'm just gonna leave this for half an hour or 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the filling. So the first thing I'm gonna add is some brown sugar. I only have this like solid kind of hard sugar. You're supposed to use like smooth, but either one is fine. So I'm gonna be using this. Next thing I'm gonna add is some cinnamon, cornstarch, and also some salt. I'm gonna give this a mix. Okay guys, so the dough is done. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start kind of making the cinnamon roll. Before I start rolling it, I'm gonna put some flour on the surface. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start rolling it now. Now I'm going to be adding some butter with this spatula that I have. It's really thin, it's quite good. So I'm just going to spread the butter all over. Now I'm going to be adding the cinnamon mixture. I'm just going to sprinkle it. I'm going to use a rolling pin to kind of put the cinnamon and kind of mix the cinnamon into the dough. So now I'm gonna roll the dough. This is rolled now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cutting them into pieces. So I'm gonna use this chopper and I'm gonna cut this in half first. So maybe about now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cutting from each side, so about this much. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put some butter paper on the tray and this, and you're going to do this for all of them. Try to have a little bit of space in between because they are going to expand when they do bake. And take your time when you're doing this. You don't want the dough to start separating and, you know, break. Okay guys, leave the rolls for at least like 25 or more. It just depends on how bigger the rolls do get. We want them to actually expand more. So leave them for 25 or more. Okay guys, so as you can see, the cinnamon rolls has been expanded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake these for at least 20 to 22 minutes. But I did preheat the oven, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the tray into the oven now. And we'll let these bake for at least 20 to 22 minutes.